step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherina. If you're new here, welcome. If not, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm always in the car when I'm doing my intros and talking to y'all and stuff, but I be forgetting. I don't know what it is about being in the car that making me remember, oh, I didn't vlog, I didn't start my vlog, or I didn't end my vlog, or whatever. But yeah, for some strange reason, every time I'm in the car, that's when I remember. But I'm now headed to my friend's house. We're about to have a girls' night. Yeah, we're about to have a girls' night. I just had to go to Walmart to grab a few things. I guess they're cooking. I love that for us. So yeah, I'm headed to a girls' night. I'm excited about that. Just hanging out, vibing, drinks, food. That's always a good vibe. So I'm excited for that. Just to get out and get away. I'm not bringing Kyrie. Kyrie's with his daddy, so I'm even more excited about that. No kid. Don't have to be yelling at no kid, watching a kid, none of that. So I feel like I deserve them type of days. Every parent does. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. Oh, and I do hope y'all like the Miami vlog. I had to break it up in 2 parts because it was too long. I had to cut out some stuff too, but I tried to put majority of the good stuff in there without cutting out too much. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy that. If you haven't watched it, please, after you watch this one and like this one and comment, please go watch that one as well. Like and comment. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Okay. Let me see what else. Yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It's free. All you gotta do is hit that check mark and subscribe. You can do it on the TV or you can do it on your phone as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you in advance. Okay, I gotta pay attention to the directions a little bit. But yeah, I did have a good vacation, and then I went to Chicago right after that. So it's just grind time from here on out. When I say grind, I mean mind, body, soul, finances. Like, I mean every single thing. Like, I really need to buckle down. I've been journaling more. I've been back in my planner because I had got off track with that. So I've been back in my planner and everything. I just need to, like, this year we have 4 months left in this year. Like, oh my God, and I'm not satisfied with my progress this year at all. So what I need to do is just stop talking about it and be about it. So yeah, I can't believe that. Can y'all believe it's about to be 2026 soon? Like, what the hell? Yeah, but nothing else has really happened that I didn't record. Oh, I didn't record Kyrie's first game because it was some stuff going on that I wasn't really in the mood for. So it just threw my whole mood off. So yeah, that's that, and I will pick y'all back up when I get to girls' night. You got an iPhone charger, a regular iPhone charger on her? Yeah. Good. All right, got the first drink going. Cute margarita Tammy made. Cheers. Oh shit, I forgot the camera was on.
Lisa said she might have a battery pack for that eye smoke that you use. You might use.
I can handle that. Ooh. She got my throat burning, y'all.
Let me see what song. You like this song? You say Maya? Maya, you say you like this song? You like this song?
It's a picture or video.
What my big old belly looking like?
Let me see what I look like.
What my big old belly look like? Oh, that was good.
Oh. Talking her to death.
Come on. Get him on the beam. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on, I'm holding.
Yeah, we stay litty. Fuck where you from, you ain't fucking with my city. Put that shit on, we rockin' J's with true religions. Got a rubber set, you bangin' blood rolling 60. Pass the reposado. If he looking your way, then he is not my hoe. Off the dun, I go crazy till I'm psycho. Call the DUI, but it's okay, I got Geico. I drive the boat, these bitches follow. Fucked around and test my ex, oops, it was a typo. Shake, 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 booty shake like a maraca. You ain't throwing ass, what the fuck you want? Yeah, we bout to have fun. You know summer just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug, roll the 3-5 in the blunt. Done Julio, I can taste it on my tongue. We outside, you know it's gonna be a vibe. Get your camera phone, start the Instagram live. Wearing booty shorts, showing extra skin and thighs.
Huh?
How you hand the ball off to him? Like, good at you and then how you hand it off? Like that? Like that?
Alright, what y'all say y'all coming out to? What y'all coming out to? What y'all coming out to? Come on.
We about to get underway, ladies and gentlemen. All right.
I'll be up there.
Right here.
People want to sit down, they're gonna be able to see.
There's no smoking on this.
Kyrie, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go. I just wanted to get you on the camera.
I feel you, man. Good seeing you, man. Step up to the line. Hey, y'all, get ready. On the ball. Hey, get ready. Get ready. Get your hands ready. Because you're not going to kick it in the air, bro. Hell no, they don't want that. On the ball. Hey, wishbone.
Let's go, Kyrie.
Oh, y'all got this up. Good rush, LaCuz. Get back there again. Get back there again.
Shoot up on the ball, D-Line! Get back there!
Ooh. We made it to the field. And we're out of breath.
I'm coming.
All the way over there. This is the first game we're going to. This is birthday weekend.
It's third down.
You're going to have some little ass who's up to us.
There's a flag on the play.
What's the score? 7-8? Okay.
Showing Sherry the ball carrier. Gained 2 yards on the play. 4th and 9.
I forgot to tell y'all, Shaman is injured. So he's not going to be playing tonight, but it's his birthday weekend. There you go with the Flyers book bag on. He just can't let the East Side Flyers go.
What?
Down there on the crutch.
Oh, with the
His
white
hurting got so
t-shirt.
long. I miss my baby. I can't wait to hug him.
Messed up, why y'all keep trying to get me to play football?
Yeah, like Robbie does like
I know, but I like you guys are not doing
I haven't talked to him.
And if you're in a Ford 150, a gray Ford F-150, 8KJ L89. It's a nice truck, but you're going to have to move. 8KJ L89. Thank you.
Junior gonna feel bad if we get to play in the game.
I hope so. Hey guys, so we had to go to the grocery store because Shaman wanted a home cooked meal for his birthday. So we're about to shop and I left my camera. So yeah. You're my angel. You're my angel. Another reason is because what, Schnooks be having it?
I don't need a like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no drink, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time, and it plays in my words. business, got me out choo-choos and violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one know thinking I'm a good babe. Time so strange that we on the.
Okay, so we almost done. We just gotta go find the cornbread and then get me some gum because I hate that feeling that my mouth is dry. So let's find the cornbread and then we'll be done. I don't know how I feel about him. Nope. What's up, y'all? I don't know when y'all will be getting this vlog because I do have to get a new computer, a new laptop. But we're back from seeing Shaman for his birthday weekend. Today is actually his birthday, September 22nd. I don't know when y'all can see this video, but today's September 22nd, so go ahead and tell my Virgo baby happy birthday. That sounded so country. But tell him happy birthday in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And I don't know, y'all. We might be a little backed up on vlogging for a while, so that's it.
Somebody better get her cause she out there looking fine. Better pop your shit because I'm out here popping mine. The way these diamonds hitting bitches damn near going blind. Like this Don Julio gon' do the trick every time. Nigga lose me, you know that nigga out his mind.
Good morning, y'all. It's almost afternoon. So, I don't know if this is going to be a new vlog, a continued vlog, or what, because I've been all over the place. But I noticed, I had watched my other vlog the other day, and I noticed my energy was very low. Let me turn the urn on. I noticed my energy was very, very low because at the moment, that's probably how I was feeling, but I don't want to come on camera like that. I don't want to continue to come on camera like that. So, I have not been vlogging a lot because I have not been in the mental space for that. So today is a good day. Today is Sunday. It's a new week. I'm starting my hard 15 tomorrow. And I'm not doing 75 or 30 or none of that because I feel like 15 is something that I can do. Because I've tried it before months ago, the 30, hard 30, and I couldn't do it. So I'm going to start with 15 and then I'll just go from there. I wrote my list in my phone and everything. But yeah, so I'm back. I can't say I'm better, but I want to be better. I want my vlogging to be better. I want my content to be better. So I got to focus on making myself better so I can give better content to my people that support me. So anyway, y'all, I'm on my way to Kyrie's game this morning. He only has 3 regular games left, including this one. And then if they get to the Super Bowl, then they'll play like playoffs and stuff like that. But have y'all listened to Cardi B album? Do y'all listen to Cardi B? Baby, my girl snap. And every time, that's it right now. That's my mood right now. So every time y'all hear every time, think about me, because I've been playing that on repeat. I like a whole lot of her songs. I like Man of My Word. I like a lot of them. Do y'all like it? Do y'all listen to Cardi? What's y'all favorite songs? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, y'all. So previously, we did go out of town for Shaman's birthday weekend. We couldn't really spend too much time with him because he still had football obligations and stuff like that. He is hurt. Well, he's not hurt anymore, but he was hurt. He had sprained his ankle. So we didn't get to see him play, but we just was there to support once the game. Unfortunately, they did lose. But yeah, I was so happy to see my baby. I did not want to leave. And I was so in the moment. When I was around him, I did not really vlog too much because I just wanted to be in the moment. Like, I miss my baby so much. And I even got emotional again when we was leaving. I'm just like, girl, like, I don't know if it was unflow. If it was because of unflow or what? Okay, yeah, I'm talking too fast because I'm stumbling over my words. Let me slow down. I think I'm just so excited to talk to y'all because I'm feeling a lot better. My health has been messing with me too, but I'm trying to do my best. I started walking the other day, so I said I'll just try to do 30 minutes of walking every morning. Morning preferably because the weather is the best in the morning, but if not in the morning, then in the evening, whatever. I gotta get me some exercise in. I gotta get my weight down. So yeah, I'm already making my birthday plans. Even though if I start this new position, I won't be able to do my birthday plans on my birthday weekend, but it'll probably be like a few weeks after that, which is cool too. But yeah, I'm already trying to get that in order because after all, it is almost October and I do like to plan ahead. So yeah, I got my little birthday checklist going on because it's going down. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not gonna harp too much about that because I remember last year or this year for my birthday, I was birthday. I'm not gonna do y'all like that this time until it's the countdown. But yeah, going to pick up my mom. What else? Yeah, I'm back, y'all. Welcome back. Can't beat this. Your legs in there, but probably
Can we start it?
He over? Oh yeah, he right there.
Oh, I see. What's up, Coach Marco? So these games here is from St. Louis. But you said you want to put them over there.
Some of them over from St. Louis, some of them from over here. But majority is something. Let's see. Hey y'all. Welcome back to another day of this crazy vlog. I know it's so crazy. Weeks apart, everything. I'm sorry, y'all. I'll be forgetting. Life is lifing and it's just too busy and I haven't been able to vlog for real. I just been so busy. But hopefully I'll have some good news to share with y'all soon. But right now I'm about to go with the girls. I tried a new little lip combo. What y'all think? But yeah, I'm about to go hang with the girls. Have a little girl time. And I don't know, whatever the night brings, that's what it's gonna bring. But I'm bringing y'all with me, of course. So yeah. Come. You ready? Period. And we got Tam over here. Tiffany couldn't make it. Oh, because I saw Maria. Yeah. She work at the Juicy place. I know. Ooh. Ooh la la. Thank you. Can you take a picture of us? Can you take a picture of us? Thank you. You the best. Ready? Thank you. What the fuck do this? Let's take a picture like that. It's girl, look at you over her. Look at her sitting. Girl. Period. That looks fire. Period. Okay. Oh, you said look at my boo. She fit, yeah. She was ready. Girl, I forgot about these broken nails. That looks good. I said, look at mine. Guess how my shit broke? I was closing the fucking door
Who fucking fingernail goes in the door?
Yours, because they long as hell. Look at our picture, y'all. Period. He did good. Yeah. Look at our big tower.
Oh, you finna be in this video, so like do a little pose. I'm doing another. Oh yeah. Oh, you should have got that while she was pouring. Come on. Okay. You want me to fill you up? Yeah. Hold on. You ready? I'm ready. Pour. Are you ready? Thank you. That looks wonderful. Oh, that looks good.
Charge your love red.
I'm waiting.
Y'all really singing? Oh no, I'm gonna make it come back here. Y'all can listen it over here.
I know you feel the sweet.
It's good.
You know I live for it.
I was up to your standard.
Oh yeah.
Cause you know you can make some good margaritas.
Good.
Cheers. That was good.
Are we going somewhere else? I know. Green says strong. Hell no.
It ain't strong to you? It is strong. Jesus.
Oh, I know. Nigga. Who the
I
fuck
don't
is
know why
Willie
it's been
Johnson?
so long.
Willie Johnson better get his ass on.
Willie Johnson.
That's his. But it's a lot of fun.
Two margaritas.
After 3 margaritas, I was.
Yeah, look how much we got left.
Oh my God.
And you got a whole lot still. Oh my God, it was strong. Yeah, Ma, you gotta get another one. You gonna fill up mine. Yeah, it's strong.
I think this boat.
Strong and wrong.
I think.
We needed Tiffany here to be the 4th person to finish this cause it's still some more left.
That was
too much.
You might as well see yours. Hey vlog. Sorry you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and watch every fucking video. That's your
And she don't even watch every fucking video.
Hey, don't
How she gonna tell y'all what to do?
Don't charge it to our heart because I intentionally, when I come across it, I watch, I like, and I share. Okay?
It's okay, y'all. Let me record y'all.
In the chat.
I'm gonna finish the margarita song. I only know one part. So I'm gonna pass the phone along and we gonna finish the song.
It's sent now.
Okay. So y'all know the one margarita song?
What the fuck? No, I need the lyrics.
Give me one margarita. I'm
So I just say that.
You gotta say, she gotta say 2. You gotta say what the 3 say.
Give me 3 margaritas, I'm gonna give you the No.
What is 3? Give me one margarita, I'm gonna open my legs. Give me 2 margaritas, some. I only know number 1. Well, we overweight because we only know number 1.
Thank you so much.
Check. Oh, I'm like, what? Oh, look at me recording the blog. Girl. I don't know where we about to go, y'all, but Maya about to drive for Old Time State.
Okay?
The night is young.
I miss my friend, y'all.
Look at Maya. Maya be ready. I should have got it on the vlog, so Maya be ready, baby. She know when you coming for her.
When I was going to watch, she's like, hold on.
Yeah, she was getting it together.
Girl, my titties was on PM. And I had to,
On PM?
PM, like sleep.
Oh my.
And I had to wake them bitches up.
Oh my Lord. I gotta use that.
When they be on PM, PM is out the bra.
Y'all heard that? PM is out the bra.
Said me they would sleep. Oh my God.
Bitch, these motherfuckers, and this supposed to be a push-up bra. These bitches,
So they ain't pushing up nothing, huh?
they too heavy.
You need
Fuck around and go to the damn bra shop. My shit be a Z.
Bitch, I went to the bra shop and they got them cone titty bras. I said,
It sounds like it just by the bra shop.
Sabrina, they got bras that shape like a
Come out.
I am not gonna pay
I never
$70.
forget my mama brought me a bra like this.
Girl, my granny did too.
So this the support you need, bitch. No, it
My
ain't.
granny did too. She told me I went to Syrians and got me some good bras.
All you needed was them tassels on the end. Throw them titties in the front.
Bitch, I feel like Miss Hale. Our elementary
Miss
school.
Hale?
You know she used to wear them cone titty bras.
Girl, yes.
Bitch.
Girl, I told Kyrie about Miss Hale.
Girl, I
Girl,
said,
she used to turn her ass up.
girl, I put my titties in them bras and put a t-shirt on. I said, what the
Yo, shit. Like this.
Oh my God.
I'll be damned.
And then it was white.
Bitch, I'd rather say it.
It had them little, the little laces. Whatever the fuck they was.
Bitch, I'd rather say it. I'm not gonna put on no more freaking cone titty bra.
I am weak.
Looking like an alien by the titty bra. You ready to shoot some cannons out them motherfuckers?
Yeah, and then the bitches be 90.
Girl, oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, my face hurt. Hold on.
Girl, yes. These some magnet eyelashes. These will come off.
They ain't moving.
Oh, it is. Let me see.
I love this thing.
She got a magnet lash. Let's see how if you really work.
I got my kids in there.
I be seeing it and I be wondering if it worked for real.
Perfect. If you get ready to cry and you know you finna
got a
cry.
magnet on there and it sticks to the thing.
On what?
See?
Always two.
Yeah, put one on here. And the other thing over there.
This perfect for that nigga piss you off and you know you finna cry. You got your kid handy. You spill them bitches off and when you wipe your eyes, you put them back on. See, my hand ain't steady enough for no shit like, oh, that's tight as fuck. This the gadget guru. This bitch got magnetic. This bitch got magnetic eyelashes.
I be seeing it, but I don't be believing it.
The other cards didn't work. This brand off of Amazon, take a picture of it. That brand off of Amazon, they got different lengths. It works.
Wow. What?
And see, I'm trying to grow my real lashes back.
That's tight. I need to go and get that.
My camera dirty as fuck.
It's no more doing this when you cry.
Magnetic eyelashes. Wow.
Ain't that crazy? Let me get my motherfucking change out of her. Ooh, I be drunk as fuck.
He gonna be like, ooh, senorita.
He ain't even doing enough.
No, then he ain't been over here enough time. He don't even know how to do this stuff right.
I get his ass. That's your file?
For him, yeah.
That's your tip.
Yeah, that's all he gets.
He was too busy smiling in the white people.
No, don't say that.
Better get his ass.
Hello?
Don't say that because people be getting mad. People be getting mad. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another day of the vlog. Hold on. I shake the ground when I speak. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another day of the vlog. I'm in the car again, so y'all just gotta take me as I am. I'm on my way to Kyrie's game again.
At the next light, turn left.
I'm running a little bit behind. It's supposed to start at 1:30. I get there at 1:45. And honestly, it's probably not even going to start till 2 o'clock. So I'm hoping today is one of those days because I'm running late. But yeah, last night, recap on last night with the girls. It was so much fun. We got lit from that tower. We couldn't even finish all of it. Giggling all night, talking, reminiscing, just enjoying each other's company. We really enjoyed our night.
At the light, turn left onto Union Hill Road.
We really enjoyed our night. And we just kind of like rode around and stuff like that after, so we really didn't do nothing to record after. But yeah, I had such a good time. I can't wait for the next outing. We starting to plan our holiday events, and I'm so excited for it.
In 5.3 miles, turn right onto West Main Street.
But yeah, was it even on me? I'm not gonna record. Oh, I look. Ooh, this is a bad angle. I'm not gonna record nothing of the game this week. I recorded a little bit last week. So after today, they have one more game, and then maybe they have the playoffs or something after. And hopefully they go to the Super Bowl. That's what I'm hoping. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and give y'all a recap of last night because I didn't vlog much because we was just living in the moment most of the time. So, but yeah, so yeah, I will talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday. Me and Kyrie is headed out with the girls and the kids. What? We're going pumpkin picking, maybe apple picking or something like that. So I'm about to bring y'all with me. I have not been vlogging, but I'm bringing y'all with me today. It's the weekend, baby, okay? Period. So let's go.
Spend it on me, I love when you spend it on me. Don't hit to me, got me up in Givenchy. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me in silk and we would have fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart. Whisk me away from all of my pain. What's the point of having a heart in this world? Ashamed and late, I just wanna be a girl someday. I don't wanna think. Don't make me a fool, make me a pretty woman. I'm a damsel in distress, my love. Before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. I love when you spend it on me. Don't hit to me, got me up in Givenchy. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Turn me in diamonds, that's how you make it right. Trade me in silk and we would have fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart. Give me the last one of your credit card. Buy back my love, you can keep your heart. Give me the last one of your credit card.
So me and Kyrie made it before everybody else. You're what? Don't put that hood on now. We made it before everybody, so we're about to go over here and take a picture real quick. And then I haven't been here in so long. I don't know. I can't remember where you pay it. I think it's over there. So we're gonna go take a picture real quick over here. If y'all can see the pumpkins. Butterfly, you gonna stay right there? Go right there. Right here. Kyrie, it's just... You gotta stop being so scary. Stay like that. Period. You wanna take my picture? Kind of go down a little bit. Come here, let me show you something.
I know what I'm doing.
Let me show you something. Look at the words. Make sure you get the words.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, one thing about my friends, they're going to be late. We supposed to meet here at 3. I got here at 3:05. Thinking that I was going to be late. I didn't get my gas or nothing because I'm like, I don't want to be late. So it is now, hold on. It is now 3:34 and they are not here. I got a text from Maya that said she was 4 minutes away. That probably was 8 minutes ago. Tammy also said before Maya that she's almost here. Where y'all think they coming from? Africa? Because I think I do. Like, where's they at? Yeah, so we just sitting here waiting. I can't really run the car too much because we need some gas. I got to check the app and see how much gas, how many miles I got until E, because
that mine right there, probably. Is that
and Kyrie anxious. He ready to go in.
That's mine.
No, that's not Maya.
How?
You don't remember how Maya called it?
She gonna be here at 3:05. Like 3:35.
Oh, we got 34 miles, so we can run it. Hold on. Yeah.
Waiting on this bitch to pull out the fucking parking spot. I'm trying to get a parking spot and pull in too. And this bitch cleaning her glasses and some more shit. Like, what the fuck on?
Yes, I was just talking about y'all, so I'm letting them know that this is what's up right here.
Sorry, vlog. Yeah. We sorry. Stay tuned.
I said y'all must be.
I need you to get out the walkway.
Girl, I got on this hot ass too, bitch.
You're so you got them steps in today, huh?
Kid.
Right.
So
I was literally right here. I walked all the way around.
Hey, DJ.
Hey, DJ.
You.
Hey, Kyrie.
Okay, y'all.
So we got.
Huh? Been here years ago with the other kids. You just don't remember. We've been everywhere. Next time you can shoot remember. Okay. All the apples on the damn ground. Around the trail, Kyrie. That was the one in Granite City. Okay, we got a bar.
Come here. Go out in the field and pick up. You want me to hold it?
I think so. It's a bar. What's that noise? Now get my picture like the kids. Come here, Kyrie. Record me.
You said picture.
She's taking my picture. You record. I'm practicing on the hay.
Go, Serena. Serena. Serena.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
All right.
All right.
Hold on, I gotta take my picture.
Ooh. Go. They finna try to go.
A little breeze.
The open field. I think it's because of the open field. You can keep going. They everywhere. Do that again. But you can go like everywhere. Okay, get up. No, Kyrie, leave the broke ones alone and go find you a pumpkin. You did not come here to be destructive. Look at this one. Look at this one. That's the one you choosing? It's okay. Look at me. Why would you? Huh? Y'all get on the top. Wait till she get done with her picture and then y'all can go up there.
Come in.
All right, let's get a picture. Ready? Curry, be still. You ready, DJ? Yeah. Oh, that's how you taking it? Okay. Okay.
Oh my God, girl.
That is funny.
Really?
You going up there, Samila, or you said forget that?
She said it's too high for her.
Show my.
What we gonna do now?
You ain't gonna say nothing? Say, hey y'all, I'm Samila.
Hey y'all, I'm Samila.
Clock that T. Y'all, have y'all tried these donuts at Eckerd's? When I tell you they fire, and I'm not even capping. Let me get my own.
This is worth it.
It ain't worth shit. You spent too much money. Kyrie got some kettle corn and a big ass pumpkin that he's never getting again unless he's paying for it. But even though we already got a pumpkin from Walmart, the experience is just different. So I always want my kids to experience things. But this is the donut right here. Look at some items. They just roll by. But yeah, y'all. Period.
They don't like them. There are I'm not eating. No.
If this person hit me, I'ma beat them. But it put me in the mind of them donuts we used to have as a kid at school. Something. But they just a little less sweet. This just enough sweet. Let me turn party off for the copyright. Why you don't have your seatbelt on, honey? But what I was gonna say, y'all? Yeah. Oh, Kyrie and this big pumpkin he chose. Like, I'm speechless. My shirt all dirty because I have to carry the pumpkin that he picked. But it's alright. It's only once a year. At least we ain't want to pick no Christmas tree. Do y'all do the real tree or fake tree? I don't think I can get with no real tree in my house. I don't care. But we're about to grab something to eat and head to Tam's house, have some drinks and hang out. Let the kids hang out. And that's about it. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Getting ready to head to Kyrie's game, but I wanted to come and close out the vlog because I've been terrible at doing all of that lately. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all on the next one. And we're going to get back to being consistent. So, stick with me. Let me know you heard in the comments. And I'll see y'all next week.
You step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?